supportive, sturdy, and easy on the eyes too. This foundation is your one-and-done solution for convenient mattress support, featuring a durable steel frame and solid wood legs. This standing box spring features simple, bolt-free assembly and comes with all parts and instructions needed for quick setup. And this ingenious foundation is available in a variety of colors and sizes, meaning you can furnish every bedroom in the house. It's a recipient of the 2019 Good Design Award for its unparalleled standing design, bolt-free assembly, durability, and compact structure. The frame makes bedtime quick, convenient, and comfortable. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Simple and supportive. A durable steel frame and solid wood legs make this standing box spring a sturdy and simple choice ready to support your latex, spring, or memory foam mattress. Number 2. Award-winning design. The Justina mattress foundation features simple bolt-free assembly, a durable and compact structure, and is pretty easy on the eyes too. It's so thoughtfully engineered that it won the 2019 Good Design Award. Number 3. Multiple colors and sizes. Offered in an array of colors and extended sizes to suit any room size or home interior. Number 4. Good Design Award winner. Awarded by the Chicago Atheneum Museum of Architecture and Design in 2019 for innovative design and assembly. Number 5. Easy assembly. Zip-free cover. Features bolt-free quick snap assembly for convenient and quick setup. Hooks and elastic loops hold the cover in place. All tools, parts, and instructions are included in one smartly shipped box. Number 6. No box spring needed. Rest your memory foam, latex, or spring mattress directly on top of this foundation for excellent support and extended mattress life. Number 7. Worry-free 5-year limited warranty included. Mattress sold separately, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.